Hello, I'm Nick Murney. I'm the Managing Director of Pure Oil New Zealand, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the good oil. We contain the oil in a dark bottle which preserves the qualities. It's a cold pressed extra virgin oil, therefore light can impact it and negatively affect its taste and quality. But freshly crushed oil has this perfect golden appearance. To get the oil from the seed to that state, we use cold pressing. No added temperature and no chemicals used in our process, pretty natural. These machines here are the expellers. They just push the oil seed rape and crush it and extract the oil from the seed husk. After the presses, it goes through a triple filtering process, which takes it down to that golden liquid. Another important aspect of the good oil is the traceability program we run with our seed. We can trace the seed back from the plant, back to the region and then to the paddock that it's been grown by our contract growers. We have farmers grow our crops up and down New Zealand, a lot in South Canterbury, Manawatu and the Hawke's Bay in the North Island. Our farmers have been with us for a number of years, for 6-7 years now, and they've learnt to grow this crop really well and produce great seed. The usage for extra virgin cold pressed rapeseed oil is general cooking, excellent for shallow frying, roasting, but also as dips and as mayonnaises.